Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating expanded modern minimalist house sa Las Piñas at halos boundary nga lang ito ng Parañaque. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes, buddy, expanded 3-story unit na nga ito. Kaya naman hindi ka na kailangan maglabas ng malaking money for home expansion.
May enough space para sa iyong minimalist living, dining, and kitchen area at may total ito na 4 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath.
Move in ready dahil constructed na ang ating unit at complete finish na nga ito, kaya naman livable na upon turnover, kaya naman less hassle at dadali mo na nga lang ang gamit at family mo. At alam mo ba, buddy, na ito ay may 300,000 discount pa sa ating down payment, kaya naman talagang panalo ka dito. Total selling price for inner unit is 7.9 million only at ang ating estimated monthly amortization is 50,000. Discounted down payment is 449,500. Located sa Pulang Lupa 1, Las Piñas at halos boundary nga lang ito ng Parañaque, kaya naman easy access to C5 Road connecting to Manila Airport at marami pang iba. Kaya naman, buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!